Meaning of debater.
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 Debater. A debater is a person who engages in formal discussions or arguments, often in a competition or debate setting. Debaters use logic, evidence, and persuasive language to support their position and convince others of their viewpoint. Successful debaters are skilled at researching and presenting their arguments, as well as refuting opposing arguments. Debating helps individuals develop critical thinking skills, effective communication skills, and the ability to think on their feet. It also fosters healthy competition and encourages individuals to consider different perspectives. In summary, debaters are individuals who engage in structured debates to persuade others and improve their own communication and analytical skills.